What's happening? What's up? What's good and what it do? Elegant Soul Food, the Consecrated Nature Baby here with an unboxing. Now, I'm sitting at the beach park museum. It's a museum over here and as well as park. I was here first. Not that that matters. But some babies are not setting up to play soccer, so hopefully I get through this whole video. And hopefully you'll be able to hear me get through this video. Okay, so what I have today is I'm going to unbox some Premier products. It's a product I noticed a while ago. Who's the person? Songbird. Mariah Carey uses these products. And I noticed it before she became like one of the ambassadors, but I wanted to do an unboxing of it because I've been waiting to get this stuff for so long. So here we go. I ordered it maybe 2 or 3 days ago and it came today. So that's a plus. So it kind of looks like a shoebox. It's a decent box. And you see Premier. Premier by Dead Sea Premier, established in 1993. So she could have been the spokesperson for them since 93. She was definitely out by then. So let's see. This label, it comes off really good. It is not taking away from the, what's the word? The integrity of the box. It's not peeling it off. And you see it's coming up and off. And it has this pretty pink tissue in it. As well, you can see how it's laid out in there. My world is blown away how it's laid out in there. So you can see it. Y'all hear them babies? So we got a little fuzz up in here. We're gonna repurpose this box. Put some of this in there so it won't blow away. I do not litter. And if you've ever ridden with me, you know, you throw something out the window, I stop the car on the highway for you to get it up. And you know what else I noticed? Like, animals keep coming over here by me. Been noticing that over the years, but I just love it. Anyway, so the first thing out is the Luxury Collection Dead Sea Mineral Purifying Mud Mask for all skin types. So I'm going to open this. Packaging is really, really nice again. See, packaging is really nice. And it's a purifying mud. It's rich in concentrate. And it's supposed to provide a vital source of energy, oxygen, and Dead Sea minerals to target particular dehydrated areas and fine lines to help prevent premature aging. It also assists in smoothing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines while assisting to protect against the formation of new wrinkles. Use this for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash off. So I know what you're saying. Elegant Soul Food, why your fine ass needs something like this? Well, it's not that I'm fighting aging. It's that I had some health challenges. And honest to God, the day of my surgery, my daughter said I looked 10 to 15 years younger after my surgery. So I'm kind of combating some drying of the skin that happened because of an autoimmune disease. So if any of you ever struggled with any diseases, you know, it can wreak havoc on you. So don't call it a comeback. I never left. It was a lie. I actually did have an out-of-body experience, but it was the best spiritual experience I could ever have. So again, this is easy to open. The finest skin care range in the world. We will find out. Now, I don't know. The packaging and everything is so easy to open. I love that it's not all duct taped together. This was a little loose. That could have happened in packing, but that's weird. I've never had that happen before. You see, I just pulled this out the box and it's that wiggle loose. But it has a tape on it. So I know it hasn't been tampered with. And I just want to give it a quick smell and tell you what it's like. It smells good. You know what? It almost smells like that old school olive oil. That's what it reminds me of. And the texture, you can see it's like a deep gray. And I'm just going to rub a little bit on and get to the next product. Oh, God. It feels so silky. It feels so silky going on. I don't know if you can see it on my face or not, but oh, God. It smells so good. It feels so... Yeah, so you put this on your massage, a thick layer onto the face and neck, and wait 5 or 10 minutes and rinse. So I'm looking forward to trying that this winter. That's the ashy time of the year. I probably won't really get into this summer. The next thing I have is called Premier Exclusive Dead Sea Mineral Scientific Concept Mud Mask. I'm really surprised at the size of this. For the price of this stuff, I'm surprised that the size is this big. And then, you know, I tried this Premier product once before, and I think that's why I kind of followed it for a while. I was in a mall in Nashville, lived in Nashville once upon a time, and somebody gave me a sample just passing by in the mall. And out there by the Grand Opry, yeah. And so that was real. It was real. I liked it. I liked how moist it was. This is to help dehydrated areas for long-lasting comfort, assist in smoothing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, while assisting to protect against the formation of new wrinkles. Same thing the last one said. Application: after thoroughly cleansing, gently massage a thin layer on the face. Wait 5-10 minutes and rinse. So this is a mask. This is a purifying mask. Well, I don't have to get into the ingredients. I think my daughter might be inheriting some of this. I'm just gonna see how it works. I just really wanted to test it, so I'll see. And it was a sale, so I just went for it. It's a real pretty booklet. Oh my God, look at the elegant detail on the way they did stuff. It's very nice, and it talks about the collagen and seaweed and the different type of products that they have. Talking about our ageless future. Look, you're supposed to get old. One of my dear friends said to me one day, she was like, she came in my office, she said, do it look like I'm aging? Do it look like I'm getting old? And I just smiled. I said, you look beautiful. And I kept doing it. She was like, you're not answering. Do I look like I'm aging? Do I look like I'm getting old? And I just looked at her and said, aren't you supposed to age and get old? And she was like, point well made. Yeah. You better let it go. Now this does, well, I don't know if this happened in shipping. Can you see how that box is mangled up in there and torn apart? I guess that could have happened in shipping. And has the spatula in it for you to scoop it out. You can see, again, it's the same color gray as that other mask, but these are supposed to be two different things. This actually looks scraped here too. But you saw me pull the plastic off of it, so I don't know. But this looked like somebody dropped it and scraped it across some concrete. So I guess that happened in production. So yes, they're a little rough. But again, you can tell it hadn't been opened. Well, I'll be damned if this don't smell exactly like that one. Purifying Mud Mask. Dead Sea Minerals. Dead Sea Mud Mask. I am going to be outdone if these are the same things. Oh well, for time's sake, I'm going to get on to the next thing. There's about 12 kids kicking soccer balls going past me now. Who knew they would be here? I did not. I just came outside because summer is almost over. and I got a lot to do. Okay, now this says cream. Both of these said mask, and then this said cream. Again, with the unwrapping. Oh, did I actually touch to see how smooth that one is? I'm sorry. I got distracted by the babies. So, let's do a feel. Oh, again, it's so silky and moist. It's so silky and moist. This doesn't smell like the other one. You know what it almost smells like? Remember that white Elmer's glue? Maybe y'all didn't have to use it in school. We used to use white Elmer's glue, and it reminds me of that, but not as pungent. Okay, so let's get to the actual cream. Something finally, this should look different and smell a little bit different. So it just seems like it's the same thing. It just seems like one is in a tube and one is in a jar. Okay, Dead Sea Mud Cream for all skin types. That was for all skin types too. And this has plant extract. It helps the condition of the skin, leaving it feeling fresh and smooth and moisturized. Apply to skin until fully absorbed. So I have to look into it and see if this is something you're supposed to use like when you're going out for the day. I don't typically wear makeup, so I don't know if you're supposed to wear this up under makeup or if you can wear it up under makeup. If you know, then hit me up down there. Again, the box looks a little mangled and like the glue came apart down here. And there's a little spatula in this one as well. This one appears to be an off-white color. Ooh. I can't smell that at all. You literally like have no smell. And it said it doesn't expire until 2024. That's the date on all of these. So they are kind of fresh, even though the bottles look different. Never smelled this scent before. Lotiony. Let's see how that goes. They seem really like they have a lot of moisture in them. You know when we find out, when you have to wear it all day long and see how it goes. I'm gonna put it on. I start my day about 4 o'clock in the morning most days, so I will put it to the test and see if it gives me a dewy feel or look, and if that moisture lasts. I'll know by lunchtime. Okay, and I got a free gift for making a purchase, and it is another mask. I wish they would have gave me the mascara. That's what I wanted to try, the moisturizing mascara. And you're supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes and then take it off. Let's see. Is this the same stuff I've been looking at? I don't think so. It looks like it's supposed to be something like this. So yeah, it's a hydrating mud mask. So you peel it off and it has little slits around the eyes and the nose and the mouth. And it's just a single application, 10 minutes or until dry. For optimal results, massage the mask with your fingers. Do not reuse masks. Okay, let's see what we got here next. God, I love sitting outside in the grass. It's that really nice packaged. Okay. Nice box. Oh, this has a few tings in here. I thought it was going to be one ting. This is a facial peel. It's an exfoliant. You're supposed to apply a small amount to your face and massage gently in circular motions for a few seconds and wash away. Avoid eye contact. Okay. Lord, everything is ageless. I was going for moisture, I promise you. Cell Renewal Cream sample. I did not expect to have this many samples. still more to come. Age-Defying Serum. They really want me to buy some more stuff, don't they? And you use this twice a day, and you put it on clean skin. So for your cleaning routine in the morning and the evening. I have to look up and see what this is supposed to do. It just says intensive age-defying serum. Now, I heard people that use serums and they swear by them, but I like the snail mucus serum. Maybe I'll do that one next time. All right. This is the Gold Truffle Infusion Brightening Eye Cream. I could use this. And of course, they don't tell you how to use this one. So I'm assuming eye cream means it goes around your eyes, right? It has a little gold seal on it, so I know it hasn't been used or tampered with. Oh, goodness. You're just jumping on out. Just jumping on out. Just still oozing on out. All right, let me cap you. Stop you. Put a little bit under my eyes. That's another one of the issues from thyroid disease and thyroid eye disease, both of which I have problems with. And so I'm always watching my eyes and that buildup that comes underneath because the medicine is affecting dang on kidney, but that's another story. But I am healthy and I am grateful for my health. And again, this feels so good. God, and it smells so light and clean. I don't want to say clean like citrus. Citrus is like a clean smell to me. But when my spirit smells clean, it doesn't smell heavy. Like it wouldn't be in competition with your hair oil or your hairspray or your perfume or cologne. It wouldn't be in competition with it. It's really light and it feels really good. And it feels good. Now see, I'm gonna have to do a comparison with my snail mucus. Basically, that's what excretion, whatever it is. My Korean stuff. So this is Moisture Complex for normal to dry skin. And it's called Prestige. And this is a hydrating. So it's a bunch of hydrating stuff. I saw this lady on Oprah years ago. She had to be 77 years old. Girlfriend looked 36 years old, and she came on to tell her secret, and she said moisturize, 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 moisturize. So I'm working on it. I'm trying. I think it was an old Oprah clip here on YouTube that I saw. Again, this is sealed pretty good. Yeah, I'm trying to get it up. Oh, it just popped right on out. Can't really smell this, and that could be because I'm outside. Oh God, their products are so silky. They're so silky and moist. So that's all I got. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you got some out of this unboxing. If you were thinking about trying these products and you have more questions, hit me up below and I will respond and let you know. But just on first impression, I'm impressed. This moisture is nice and much needed with the winter coming and my King of Throne mindset. Winter's coming. Thank you for your time. Peace and blessings, soul family. Until next time.